Jim's fixing to take up a 0. Everything all right on it?
I think so. I think it flies like the Corsair.
I remember it flying really, really well.
Yeah, it does.
That's a FMS?
Better go up. Oh yeah, I know one thing I like about it, those wingtips.
Yeah, that white on there, it shows up even with my old man eyes on that green base. Oh, you got a big flock of bogies coming in, 9 o'clock. Buzz them.
I think they turned in. Well, they're going around me, aren't they?
Yeah. Now they're following you.
Whoa.
They think you're their daddy. Now you got them all confused. Uh-oh, they're coming in to strafe us.
Really?
Yeah, that's what they're going to do. Oh, crap us. All right, now they're heading out. They're heading due north. You got them all confused now. They was heading north, now they're coming back. And they don't know what they're doing now.
I'll tell you what, I'll bring this thing down and get out of the way. Fly away, birds. I don't need you. Speed it up, son.
You're flying this on a 3S?
Yeah.
2200?
26.
26.
Because you can either add the bigger battery for the weight, or you can put more weight in it.
Oh, I got you.
And I thought, well, I'm not gonna. I had to put some weight on it anyway. So, I'm sure it's fine. It does roll pretty good.
Yeah. I remember you let me fly it one time. It flew real good.
Yeah, it does. You want to fly?
Well, if I did, you're talking about selling it, I'd be like, okay, let me run to the ATM.
No, I'd be able to get 100. I'd probably put 115 on it at Roy's.
Yeah, because they charge 10%. So if you want 100, you got to get at least 110 for it up there. Well, actually 111. Thinking about taking my Old Crow up there and also my C-130.
Yeah. I just don't ever fly it. It's nothing wrong with the airplane.
I'm sorry?
This plane right here, I said there's nothing really wrong with it.
No, yeah, same way with my two. There's absolutely nothing wrong with my two. It's just there's not my cup of tea.
The balance might be off with it, and the trim might be, because all it wants to do is climb.
I'm starting to get too many large aircraft and can't get more than those in the car, you know. I like when I come out here, I bring 4 aircraft with me, maybe 5, sometimes 6. And these little 1100 and 1200 millimeter size planes are just perfect. I can bring easily 4 of these out.
Wow, it's sensitive on rudder. On
whoa.
elevator.
There, perfect. Look at that, a greaser.
I didn't want to hurt it.
Yeah, in case you're going to sell it, yeah. Yeah, don't, as I may be a buyer on it, Jim, you don't want to rip the gears out before you give it to me. Heck, let me do that.
There you go.
Yeah, I'll fly that bad dog.
Throttle's off. Oh, I'll thank you.
Yeah, I was going to say.
I'll knock the gear out.